Alright. Danny Morris is Harley Davidson. What do you see, sis? Advertising free oil changes for life. I mean, they're having a hard time selling. Buy the red one. Oh, it's a flathead. In mint condition. 1951. Anyway, real quick, St. Sinners, looks like they're bringing in the band to play later on tonight. We're fully unloading some equipment. Hey, we're going to sit in there just to the right. Alright? Okay, cool.
You know what it is?
Okay.
I'll tell you about it.
Go in there. Danny Morris, Harley Davidson. Get ready to get out of here. Head back. It's been a great day. Alright? And even though this place had out of here and I didn't even buy a t-shirt because they have nothing to offer.